Good morning, CIMAGE. I am Madhav from BCA Batch 1 SEM 2, and today I am here to give a PPT presentation on topic why was C language standardized. So there were several different versions of C language in which it was very difficult to program and run on different platforms because of their syntax and libraries are different. So the purpose behind it was to make the program portable and compatible so that it can be run on different platforms. So NC and ISO give standardization on C language so that it can be run and compile on different platforms easily. So C was standardized by American National Standards Institute and ISO, that is International Organization for Standardization. In NC, NC provides C singly widely accepted definition of language in which all compilers, all different types of different version of C can run on a single platform, and it can be ported from one platform to another very easily. So it helps the programmer to make their code easily and make the life of programmer very easy. That's all from my side. Thank you.